Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So before starting today's video, I would like to wish you all a very happy Ramadan. Ramadan Kareem everyone. So today's video is actually a special one. This is my hair care routine video and I will be sharing my hair care tips with you guys. Plus there is a surprise at the end by which I myself am surprised. So if you guys want to know more about that, then keep on watching. So let's get into the point, and that is about a month ago I asked you guys a question in my Insta stories and also in one of my Facebook posts, and I wanted to know if you girls are actually facing similar kind of problems, especially those of you who wear hijab regularly on a daily basis like me. And the problems that I was talking about were hair fall and about like excessive sweating because of like unbearable heat. So the question was, I really want to know, do you hijabi girls face the same problems that I do in summer? I never wear undercap because of the unbearable heat. Even after that, my scalp gets so irritated from all the sweating, and do I need to say anything about the hair breakage? Are you facing the same problems? So that was my question, and after that so many of you DM'd me and also so many of you commented on my post that yes, you guys are actually facing similar kind of problems and there is like a lot of issues going on with your hair just because you're wearing hijab. So I guess the hijabi girls actually need a special like hair care. Just because we are not actually letting our hair flow doesn't mean that we don't need hair care routine. So the hair care routine I actually like to follow is a DIY one, so I will be sharing that with you guys in a minute. But before that, I would like to share a few tips with my hijabi sisters. First of all, try to wear some lightweight material hijab which will let air inside your scarf, otherwise you will sweat a lot more and it will irritate your scalp. Second is, never wear hijab while your hair is actually wet from shower, because if you do that, it actually makes your hair a lot like weaker and your hair will tend to break more. So make sure you're actually like letting your hair air dry or do a blow dry, whatever you wanna do, but make sure you're actually wearing hijab while your hair is completely dry. The third one is my personal dislike one. I do not know if you guys feel the same way, but while you have oil in your hair, like you are doing oil massage or something, do not wear hijab. Make sure you're washing it off before wearing hijab, and make sure you're drying your hair, because I feel like when you wear hijab while you have oil in your hair, it makes your scalp much more oilier and it makes it sweat a lot more, and then your hair gets much more damaged rather than it being healed. So third one is, do not wear hijab while you have oil in your hair. Now let's get into making the DIY hair pack that I like to use for my hair care routine, but I won't be able to show you guys how I apply it in my hair and all, how I wash it off. It's just in general thing. You just need to apply it in your hair and in your scalp and wait for a few hours. Yeah, you can wait for like 30 minutes or an hour and then wash it off while you're having your shower, or just wash it off under the sink, whatever you want to do. But the hair pack that I use, it will actually help to like strengthen your hair and make it a little bit stronger, plus it will make it shinier. So that is going to be the hair pack, so let's make it. So the first thing that we will be needing is henna powder. This is pure organic henna powder. Then we will be needing 2 to 3 spoons of coconut oil, and the one that I'm using is also organic and that is actually freshly homemade. So if you use like fresh homemade products, then it will be much more beneficiary to your hair, because the one that are available in the market might not be that much pure. So here I have the henna powder in another bowl, and I'm just going to be mixing the oil here. And then what we will need is an egg. So I have the beautiful egg right here, and I'm going to be mixing it in with the hair pack. And then we will be needing 1 or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Then I'll be mixing it in thoroughly. So this is the henna pack, and if you're actually using pure henna, then I would suggest you to wash your hair thoroughly, because otherwise you can feel like the particles of the henna powder in your hair, so it's a bit tough to wash it off. So make sure you're actually washing your hair thoroughly, otherwise it will still be in your hair. So the consistency is quite runny and it will be enough to apply in your hair, so you can easily apply it in your scalp. Don't make it too thick. If you make it too thick, then it will be just hard to apply in your scalp and in your hair. So this is the hair pack that I use for my hair care routine, and it's quite simple. I really don't have like time to do a lot of stuff, so this is the simplest routine that I try to follow. But if I have to be completely honest with you guys, when I tend to get busy with my schedule, I really sometimes forget to take care of my hair, and I just skip doing the hair pack, and it's just so much more messy for me to maintain my hair, because I do have quite long hair, and I've seen that like the breakage is like so heavy that my hair is like thinning so fast. So it's just a concern of mine. I really don't get that much time to do this hair care routine. So that is it. And I also sometimes try to do hot oil massage in my head, but I am just so lazy and I hate oil, so I tend to like skip it all the time. But I am now trying to maintain it, but let's see where it goes. But I'm not regular with hot oil massaging. And if I'm regular, then I use this hair pack like once in a week, so 4 times a month. Now for the surprising part, by which I myself am very surprised. I did not expect this. So this is actually a gift box from Sunsilk Bangladesh. They recently sent out this package to me and I really didn't expect to get it. And it actually contains something very exciting for me, at least. And those of you who actually wear hijab, because these are 2 shampoos, 2 variants of shampoos for hijabi girls. So the shampoo name is Sunsilk Natural Recharge Hijab Anti-Breakage Almond and Honey, and then there is another one, and that is Sunsilk Natural Recharge Hijab Refresh Fig and Mint, fragrance up to 48 hours. And the another one is actually Strong and Resilient Hair. So I guess there are some other products too here. You can also get it in sachets, I guess. This is the Fig and Mint one, and this is actually a 6 ml sachet, and it costs 3 taka for per sachet. So if you guys actually want to try out in sachet form before buying the full product, then I guess you guys can get this one. So these are the sachets, and let's see how much it actually costs for the bigger bottles. This is actually 375 ml of product in this bottle, and it costs 295 taka. And they also have another thing here for me, and that is a hijab. It's a green hijab matching with their shampoo. Thank you so much for sending this out, Sunsilk. And then again, there is another pearl necklace, I guess, or this is a hijab headgear, I guess. And if I have to be completely honest with you guys, one of my followers actually did suggest me to get this one, and I was actually looking for this one. This is actually, I guess, available in Malaysia, because the writing of the packaging of this one was Cigar Ber Hijab Hijab Refresh Sayampu and something, which is like unreadable to me. So this was actually, I guess, the Malaysian version of this shampoo, but fortunately this is now available here in Bangladesh. I do not have to order it from abroad. So this is the Fig and Mint shampoo, and then the other one is anti-breakage for with almond and honey. So let's see what it actually says. It says, our exclusive formula with natural ingredients is designed for covered hair. It deeply nourishes your hair, making it 5 times stronger from the first wash. Honey has been considered for the centuries as liquid gold because of its nourishing properties. Almond oil is well known to give shine and soft sensation. So this one is actually for those of you who actually face hair fall, I guess. And one thing actually makes me really happy that they are actually being inclusive about us hijabi girls, and they are not siding us in a corner, because we do actually have special needs too. And thank you for actually making these hijab shampoos, and I cannot wait to try it out. And to be honest, I actually did try out 1 sachet, but I really need to try it out a lot more for a longer time to see if it actually works for me or not. So I will try to use these shampoos for a while, and then I will share my thoughts and reviews after I gather my thoughts on it. And another one is the Hijab Refresh Vegan Mint fragrance up to 48 hours. I guess this one is for like refreshness in your hair. And let's see what it says. It says our exclusive formula with its natural ingredients is designed for covered hair, specially formulated to lift away grease and residue. Its breakthrough technology releases a burst of fragrance at every touch. Enjoy an amazing fragrance for up to 48 hours. Wow, that's amazing. That sounds amazing, yeah. So we will see if it actually works like that. Mint is rich in aromatic oils that give it fresh and uplifting sensation, and the heavenly fig contains powerful antioxidants. Okay, so it claims this, that it will give you refreshness, and this one will be for like hair fall. So these are the two products. Thank you Sunsil Bangladesh for sending this out. I will surely be using these, and I hope my hair care routine video was helpful for you guys. So I will be listing the products in the description box below. Make sure to check that out if you guys want to know about them. And also, if you guys like this video, make sure to give this one a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel if you already haven't, and also don't forget to follow me in my Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and also in Snapchat. And I will catch you guys again in my next video. Till then, you guys take care, and a very happy Ramadan to you all. Bye bye.